Welcome to our floral blend design tutorial using Adobe Illustrator. Today, we will show you how to create a beautiful floral blend design using simple techniques in Adobe Illustrator 2024. To start, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Next, select the ellipse tool and draw a circle for the base of your floral design. Now, choose the pen tool and draw a petal shape on the circle. Duplicate the petal shape and arrange them around the circle to create a flower. Select all the petal shapes and go to Object greater than Blend greater than Make to create a blend between them. Adjust the blend settings to your liking and you'll see a beautiful floral blend design taking shape. You can also experiment with different shapes and colors to create unique floral designs. Once you're happy with your design, save your work and you're done. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks.